Welcome back, guys. I'm glad you are seeing this video right now. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you are new here, please do well to subscribe. In this particular video, I'll be showing you the secret of trading with ChatGPT, showing you how you can trade with ChatGPT. Alright, let's dive in. Alright guys, so what we want to do basically is ask ChatGPT to give us a strategy we can use to trade a $10 account. Let's see if ChatGPT can give us a working strategy to trade a $10 account. So what we need to do basically is head to this iPhone icon down here. Just click on it and we'll be giving ChatGPT our command and we'll see if ChatGPT will have a solution for us. Alright, let's dive in. Hi, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Yeah, I'm fine, we thank God.
That's good to hear. By the way, what's Dangod?
Alright, so I'm a newbie. I don't know anything about Forex. I want you to give me a strategy that I can use to trade a $10 account. A working strategy that will make me profitable to trade a $10 account. Make it very simple. I don't know anything about Forex.
Starting with Forex trading can be exciting but challenging, especially with a small account like $10. Here's a simple strategy to help you get started. 1. Choose a reliable broker. Make sure to pick a broker that offers micro or nano accounts, which let you trade small amounts. Look for low fees and good reviews. 2. Focus on one pair. Begin by trading just one currency pair, such as EUR USD. This helps you concentrate and learn without getting overwhelmed. 3. Use a demo account. Practice first with a demo account to understand how trading works without risking real money. 4. Leverage and lot size. With a small account, use low leverage like 110 to minimize risk. Trade micro lots, 0.01, to keep your exposure small. 5. Simple strategy. Use a basic moving average crossover strategy. Set up 2 moving averages on your chart, a 50-period moving average, MA, and a 200-period moving average. Buy when the 50 MA crosses above the 200 MA golden cross. Sell when the 50 MA crosses below the 200 MA death cross. Risk management. Only risk 1 to 2% of your account per trade. For a $10 account, this means risking 10 to 20 cents per trade. Set stop loss orders to limit your losses. 7. Keep learning. Continuously educate yourself about Forex. There are many free resources and tutorials online.
Alright guys, this is awesome. ChatGPT gave us a ton of step-by-step guide on how we can trade a $10 account, and these are the test formats of how we can trade a $10 account. Alright, so this is my question. So I was asking how I can trade a $10 account using a strategy that ChatGPT will be giving me, and ChatGPT gave me a step-by-step guide on how I can trade a $10 account. But the first thing it starts with is saying, ChatGPT, starting with Forex trading can be exciting but challenging, especially with a small account like $10. Here is a simple strategy to help you get started. Alright, it makes me understand that starting Forex trading is an exciting something and it is a little bit challenging. Why? Because if you are trading the Forex market with a small account, it's highly risky. It makes me understand that, starting with the Forex psychology. That's beautiful. Alright, so the first point he made is choose a reliable broker. You know what that means already. Focus on one pair. Because I have a small account, I have to focus on one thing and just be focused and be determined to get maximum out of it. Alright, so he said I should use the demo account to practice first. That's number 3. I should use a demo account to practice first. Use a demo account to practice so that I can understand how trading works without risking real money. Alright, so I have to get acquainted. Remember, I said I don't know anything about Forex. I'm trying to make ChatGPT understand that, okay, I am a newbie. Give me something that I can use. So this strategy, even if you are a newbie, it will definitely work for you. Alright, so after practicing on demo accounts, then he said I should use what is called leverage and lot size. With a small account, he said I should use low leverage like 1 to 10. All right, so to minimize risk. One of the benefits of using low leverage is that even when you are greedy and you want to open multiple position or big lot size on that $10 account, the leverage amount you are using will restrict you from opening the trade. All right, so said I should trade macro lot, which is 0.01, to keep my exposure small. This is beautiful. It started with trading psychology, and here it's talking about risk management. This is beautiful. All right, so the fifth point where we are going exactly is where it's giving me the strategy. Number 5 is a simple strategy. Use a basic moving average crossover strategy. Set up 2 moving average on your chart, a 50 period moving average MA and a 200 period moving average. Buy when the 50 moving average crosses over the 200 MA golden cross. Sell, that's a buy. The first one is a buy signal. I said I should buy when the 50 moving average crosses above the 200 moving average golden cross. All right, so the second one is sell when the 50 moving average crosses below the 200 moving average dead cross. You see that now? So I'll be setting this moving average in my MetaTrader, and I'll be backtesting the strategy on real chart. You understand what I'm saying? To confirm if this particular strategy works or not. All right, so number 6, risk management. He said I should only risk 1 to 2% of my account per trade. 1 to 2% of my account per trade. So let's say I'm having a $10 account. I shouldn't be risking more than 1% to 2% on that account. And if you have a $10 account, you shouldn't be risking more than 0.1 on each trade. I hope you understand what we're saying now. I shouldn't be risking more than 0.1 or 0.2 on each trade. That is why he asked me to use a micro lot size, which is 0.01. all right, so and the next thing here says I should keep learning. Continuously educate yourself about Forex. There are many free resources and tutorials online. So he said I should also invest in knowledge. I should invest in learning, because learning does not have to stop. I am a newbie, I'm starting out. I don't have to just rely on the level I am or what I know now. There are so many things to know, you understand? So I should keep learning. I should keep searching for knowledge and applying them to the chart. All right, so we'll go to the strategy right now. We'll go to the strategy and set up a moving average as ChatGPT asked us to do. So we're going to be setting 2 moving average, one 50 period moving average, and the second one 200 period MA. All right, so let's go straight to our MetaTrader 5. All right, we are here back in MetaTrader 5, and I'll be setting the moving average in the chart live so that you can see how to do it right here. All right, let's take GBP USD. The market is currently closed. That is why you are seeing it like this. I decided to shoot this particular video on a closed day so that we can have enough time and concentration to explain very well in this particular chart. All right, so you go to indicators right here, and I'll be clicking on add indicators. So what I want to do is moving average right here, and the only thing I want to change is this period. You can see the period. I'll be setting this to 200 like it said. I'll be setting this to 200, and then I'll click on save right here at the top corner here. I'll click on save. All right, I have that right there. As we can see, this is the moving average on the chart. This red line you are seeing right here, this is the moving average with 200 period. So he said we should set another one with 50 period. So we're going to go back to indicators and also click on add indicators again, moving average, and then this 200 I'll change it to 50. All right, so I'll change it to 50 right here, and I'll change the color. I'll change it to, let's say, blue. Okay, I'll change it to blue so that it doesn't look the same on the chart. I can differentiate from the 50 and the 200. Then I'll click on save right here. I'll click on save. You can see I have 2 moving average. So I'll go back to the chart right here, and boom, this is what we have. You can see the red and the blue. You can see the red and the blue right here. So the blue is the 50 MA and the red is the 200 MA. And don't forget what ChatGPT told us. He said whenever the 50 MA, which is the 50 moving average, crosses above the 200, I should be buying. And it also said whenever it crosses below the 200, I should be selling. Alright, so let's backtest this strategy. Let's go back to what has happened previously in the chart and let's see when the blue crosses the red, what really happened. And let's see when the blue crosses the red above, what happened. And when the blue also crosses below the red, what really happened. Let's go and let's see the results. All right, so we're on 15 minutes time frame right now, so let's just go back. Let's go back for a while so that we can see several things from the chart right here. All right, so let's pick from this particular point. Okay, so let's keep moving. Boom, this is the first signal. Remember, ChatGPT says, let's go back to ChatGPT. ChatGPT says I should sell when the 50 moving average crosses below the 200 moving average, and I should buy when the 50 moving average crosses above the 200 moving average. All right, let's go back. So in this particular place, I think we okay, all right, so we are here right here. All right, so see the first signal right here. The moving average crosses, as you can see the crossing right here, and this is, you will see an hammer candle, a candle that looks like an hammer at this demand zone right here. That is where the moving average crosses. And imagine we enter from the opening of the second candle. You can see the pump, the green pump right here, which validates the signal that ChatGPT gave us that I should buy when the blue moving average crosses above the 200 moving average, which is red. This happened right here. Let's go back again. All right, boom, this is another signal right here. So ChatGPT told us that we should sell when the moving average, the 50 moving average, crosses below the 200 moving average, and this is it right here. You can see a cross below, and after the cross below, what happened? There is a strong dumping right here. There is a strong dumping, which is a strong sell right here. We can see the candles, how they were rushing down to this particular place. All right, let's continue with our search. Okay, this is another one right here. We see that the 50, which is the blue moving average, crosses above the red moving average, and what happens immediately? There is a bullish momentum. Right here. And guys, one thing I noticed is something that has replicated itself on this particular strategy. Is what I discovered, that this strategy gives a minimum of 300 to 500 pips. I'm telling you, this strategy gives a minimum of 300 to 500 pips. Let's try it. So let's say we enter our position from the opening of this green candle. After the little pullback where you are seeing the red candle and the green candle forms and it closes, then we have another green candle like there. All right, so let's say we enter from there. Let's see the TP back to this particular place. This is 365 pips. 365 pips. That is if we target this particular zone. Don't forget what I said, that it gives a minimum of 300 to 500 pips. Okay, so let's look for another signal, then we'll calculate the pips again. All right, so this is another one where the 50 moving average crosses below the 200 moving average. All right, and after that, what did you see? You can see a massive dump right here. You can see a massive dump right here. All right, so let's check what's it called? Let's check the pips again. So let's say we enter from here when the market when the 50 moving average crosses below, and we set our TP to our first target right here. Let me see. We set our TP because this is a single swing. What you are seeing right here is a single swing, just creating a low without a wick. You can see. So we target our first target right about here, where we have a real support, a support zone right here. You can see 320 pips. Even after that, you can still see the dumping. See the dumping, massive. See the dumping, massive. See it, massive. This gave around 800 pips. All right, and I know it's very difficult to hold the trade for this long because honestly you will be scared when it comes to that psychology for you. All right, so I'm telling you that this particular strategy gives a minimum of 300 to 500 pips. All right, let's go again and see maybe one more, and we move. All right, so this is another strategy. The market, the blue moving average crosses above the red, and what did you see? This is another buy. This is another buy right here, and let's see our TP. It gives us something nice as well. This is roughly 300 pips as well. As you can see, 265. This is roughly 300 pips as well. So this particular strategy gives a minimum of 300 to 500 pips. This is it happening again here. You can see the crossing above. You can see the crossing above. We enter from right here, and our TP is somewhere around here. This is roughly 400 pips. I can keep on showing you and showing you and showing you. Guys, take this strategy. Make sure you practice. Do not just take any strategy and just go boom to your live account or Profem or whatever. If you blow it, I will not be responsible for it. Everything I'm sharing in this particular video is solely for educational purpose, and it is not meant to be taken for financial advice, or you understand. Back test it, make your own personal research, test it, and once it's proven, then you can go ahead by making your own decision. You can go back and check this chart. I can keep on showing you and showing you. You can see a crossover and boom, there is a sell. I can keep showing you and showing you and showing you and showing you. All right, so this is where I'll be stopping in this particular video. If you think you have learned one or two things, please do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on the like button, and make sure you enable the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my content. When I drop content on this particular channel, I drop educational content on how you can successfully learn one or two things to be profitable in the financial market. Subscribe, like this video, turn on the notification button, and guys, I will see you on my next content. Peace out, guys.